Hello boys and girls. People trying to fight you? I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to fight in school. I'm going to be giving you 2 non-violent tactics you can use to put any bully or anyone who wants to fight you in the corner where they belong.
Queries of the interweb.
What's going on? Joel here, and I amusingly answer questions that are searched for every single day on the interweb. If any of you try these tactics and execute them successfully, for the love of God, share that crap in the comments below. Let me know how it goes. I read all the comments. So let's start with these tactics. Now, when you think of a fight, you generally think of a group of people in a circle surrounding 2 people who are fighting each other to the death, or at least until they're in pain, or at least until one person gives up. That's not the kind of fighting we're going to be talking about today. So these are 2 tactics you can use to get your bully or whoever's trying to fight you to leave you alone. So this first tactic is called the barbecue. I'll tell you why it's called the barbecue in a minute. Here's what you're gonna do, okay? Whoever's bullying you, whoever's fighting you, I want you to look them up on Facebook. Look up their profile. Now, I know that a lot of people born after the year 2000 for some reason don't like Facebook. Maybe it's because your parents are all on there. But look, Facebook is a fantastic database, okay? It's got a lot of information. So go on Facebook and I want you to find out who your bully's relatives are, okay? So whoever's bullying you, whoever's trying to fight you, find out who their relatives are on Facebook, and you're going to send them a message. That's right. You are going to private message your bully's relatives. You're going to slide into their DMs. Slide into them. You're not reaching out to your bully's relatives so that you can tell them that their kid is a bully. No. You're going to go to their Facebook page and you're going to see some of the stuff they've been posting. So let's say your bully has a cousin named Audrey. You're going to go to Audrey's Facebook profile. You're going to scroll down and you're going to look at some of the crap that Audrey's been posting. Maybe Audrey liked a flower shop, or maybe she's interested in some weird hippie event going on in your neighborhood. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You're going to look that up so that you can message Audrey and say, "Hi Audrey, I saw that you liked the whatever flower shop on 5th Street. I'm a huge fan of that place. What kind of stuff do you like to buy there?" Or I don't know, something. You're gonna make it really personal, okay? They'll have to respond to you then. You wanna start a dialogue between your bully's family members and yourself. Once you got some dialogue going, once you've kind of been friendly, you're gonna say, "Hey, are you related to," let's say your bully's name is Billy. You're gonna say, "Hey Audrey, I see you're related to Billy. He's in my class," or "He's in my school. I really love him. He's a great guy." And Audrey's gonna be like, "Oh yeah, Billy, we're not that close, but yeah, he's okay." Or maybe they are close, I don't know. You're gonna do this to as many of his local family members as you can, okay? Starting conversations with them, making friendships with them, until one day, Audrey, Billy's cousin, is gonna say, "Hey, you wanna come to the family barbecue?" That's why it's called the barbecue. You're gonna become so close with your bully's relatives that they're gonna have to invite you to the next family barbecue. Now, your bully doesn't know you're coming to the barbecue until they see you there. Once you're friends with all his family members, they're gonna have to leave you alone. They can't keep bullying you when all his family and friends are friends with you as well. Get invited to your bully's barbecue. Get invited to the person who's trying to fight you's barbecue. You do this by reaching out to their family on social media and becoming their buddies. The second tactic is a little more strategic. It requires a little more effort than simply messaging people online. This next method is called power mapping. What the heck is power mapping? Basically, okay, your bully, whoever's trying to fight you, alright, whoever's giving you a hard time, you're going to identify everybody at your school who has power over them, who has power over your bully. Upperclassmen, are they on a sports team? It would be their coach. Any one of their teachers, if they're in extracurricular activities, it could be their priest. Okay, you know what? Forget the priest. Identify the people who have authority and who have power over your bully. What are you gonna do after you establish who those people are? Well, you're gonna make them fall in love with you. So let's say your bully has a coach. I want you to find out what that coach likes to eat, what he likes to drink. Does the coach have a family? Does the coach have friends? Does the coach have a wife? Does the coach have any fetishes? You need to make that coach fall in love with you, okay? Look up the coach's family on Facebook, reach out to their relatives, get invited to the coach's barbecue. Once you are in the inner circle of the people who have power over your bully, and once you are in the circle of your bully's relatives, your bully or whoever's trying to fight you is going to start to to back off a little bit. That's how you fight in school. That's how you overcome people who are trying to fight you or overcome people who are bullying you. So how to fight in school, mission accomplished. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!